Hello, everybody. I'm Megan. I'm here again with another episode of our Take and Make Fall Craft. Today is our Welcome Fall sign, and this is perfect to hang on your door or even your wall to welcome fall this year. So let's take a look at what's included in your packet. We have a pizza pan from Dollar Tree. Which these are great to work with to make little signs or things like that because they are cheap and sturdy and great to use. We've got some flowers to decorate our sign with. We've got chalkboard paint and a brush. And then we've got our stick of chalk and our ribbon. So let's begin. Okay, so this is our chalk paint. This is chalkboard paint actually. We've used chalk paint before. This is a little bit different. It's called chalkboard paint. When it's all dry, it's going to give the appearance of a chalkboard, and it is functional because you can write on it just like you would be able to a chalkboard. So this paint is great to use on all kinds of surfaces if you ever want to create a chalkboard look. And today we're putting it on this pizza pan. So it's going to take a couple coats. The first coat doesn't look that great. You can see there's kind of like streaking in there, but if you do one coat and then let it dry and then do another coat, it should look a lot better on the second coat. So bear with it. And we're going to do the whole thing, even the sides here. And it's going to take a little while to dry, probably about an hour. So be a little patient. So once we do the full coat, then you can let it dry and we'll do a second coat. Once we have the first coat mostly dry, we can do our second coat. And the second coat's going to cover a lot better. And you should have more than enough paint to do this, so just finish up the second coat and let that one dry, probably about another half hour or so. Okay, and now that our sign is completely dry with the chalkboard paint, we can what's called condition the board with our piece of chalk. It's basically just rubbing chalk all over our board to kind of get that used effect. If you don't want to do this, if you don't like how it looks, you do not have to. But once we are done with that, you can sort of wipe it off with a cloth or your finger, get that sort of used chalk effect. So I'm just going to wipe this off a bit with a paper towel to get that effect. Okay, and now the fun part is writing our words. And when I was doing this, I looked up some font for the Welcome Fall words that I used to kind of copy what they had. So you could do that by looking online. You can sort of do this however you want to. And you don't have to write Welcome Fall. You can write Hello Fall or anything else you'd rather have. But I find this part the fun part, to use the chalk. Okay, and now we can also just glue on our flowers. And I'm using a glue gun. That's the easiest thing if you have one. You could also use tacky glue, should work. And we have a new service here at the library. It's called the Library of Things. And we have a glue gun available to check out if you don't have one and you want to use one for this project or any of our other projects. You can just come and get that glue gun to check out. So, or you can buy one at a craft store or Amazon. They're pretty cheap, about $5 usually for a small one like I'm using. I'm just gonna put the flowers on, arrange them however you want. I'm just doing these kind of underneath the beige ones. Coming out like that. And last but not least, with this project, we are just going to arrange our ribbon at the top on the back to attach to a door or a wall. So that's pretty easy to do as well with the glue gun. So just attach it together. And then stick it onto the back. I hope you enjoyed making this easy and fun fall craft with me and you enjoy hanging it on your door. And I'll see you next time. Enjoy the beautiful fall weather. See you soon. Bye.